So what are voidable or fraudulent conveyances? I'm Michael Redden. If you have any questions about this topic, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about it, I do talk about it in my book, Building a Wall Around Your Wealth, and you can get a free copy of that by going to book.reddenlawoffice.com. So this is really something that we look at in the asset protection context. We really don't let people just go hide their assets or do things when they might be sued or when they've got kind of creditors after them. And fraudulent conveyances, voidable conveyances, depending on the state you're in, that's really what these things are. So you get notified someone might sue you, you're getting behind on your bills, and you're thinking, I don't want to lose everything, I may even have to file bankruptcy, so you do things like give them to a relative. Maybe you expect them to give them back to you later. You go put them in a trust offshore or something like that. Those kind of things are done specifically to hinder, delay, or frustrate a creditor. If you do something just for that while you've got a creditor in the wings, then the court's going to undo it. They're going to say that's a fraudulent conveyance, that's a voidable conveyance, we're going to undo that, we're going to make that person give it back, we're going to undo that trust so that your creditors will be able to get those kinds of things to recover against you. Now, this is very important when it comes to things in business and when it comes to even making your estate plans, much less your asset protection plan, because we can't go put things into trust while those things are out there. We can't even make those estate plans because it might frustrate that creditor at some point. Now, so it's very important to do this kind of planning when you don't have a rainy day, when there's nobody in the wings thinking they might sue you. There's going to be very little time in your life where you don't owe some kind of money to somebody. So you're going to want to do this while you're not actually behind on things, while no one's threatening to sue you, and you want to be able to do it for a reason like estate planning or something else. You don't want to do it just to protect and frustrate these creditors, because that's going to be kind of what they're looking at. And good asset protection planning, good estate planning is actually going to also enhance your business and probably even has a business purpose. Those other states and things might have better tax laws. They might have better business laws and protections. And those are the reasons why you want to do that. Maybe the state's trust can last forever and you're looking to make it a dynasty thing. Those are the reasons you want to kind of look at. But anytime you're going to go give something to someone or do make those big financial decisions, you should be aware that if you're behind on your bills or someone's about to sue you, that thing can be undone. Okay? That's a big part of planning too. You might have to delay your planning till that's settled and over with to make that kind of transfer. So, a lot of times we don't think about these things until it's raining outside. When things are going good, we just keep trucking with business. Just like in your business when you don't wait until things get slow to keep your marketing and go forward trying to get new clients and customers. You really need to do that while things are great so it never really slows down. It's the same thing about your planning. Plan when things are great. Plan when things are good so that when the rainy day comes along, you can actually do things that protect yourself and avoid things that can be undone. Again, if you have any questions about it, put it in the comments or questions below. If you'd like to copy my book, go to book.reddenlawoffice.com and you can get a free copy.